Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are well. As promised, I am going to do a video kind of walking you through the Facebook Creator Studio and Business Suite and make it so that you can see and really understand how to use it. It is it's simple to use, but it's very finicky to use. So there's certain things, certain lessons that I've learned, um, and it's glitchy. It's glitchy. That I'll say as well. So let's see how I can do this. So that. All right. So first, I'll tell you that you can only use Facebook Creator, Facebook Studio, Creator Studio only for your business page. Okay. And I think what I will do is I will switch it to doing a full screen share so that you can see the full effect of what I'm talking about. All right. So here we are. We're on my business page. Okay. So on your business page on the left-hand side, under the section that says manage your page, where you see publishing tools is where you'll go to get started. Now, this is using the only option of scheduling your Facebook post on your business page and scheduling your post on your business Instagram account. Okay. This only works for your Instagram account if it's a business Instagram account. If it's a personal Instagram account, you will get a pop-up notice saying that you will need to switch it over to be a business Instagram account. So as you see here, you're in the back end of the publishing part where you schedule your post and where you can see how everything operates. So with where we are right now, we're only going to see how to create the Facebook side of it. Okay. Because I found that if you try to do Facebook and Instagram on this side, it does give you the option, but it makes it harder and it may double post. So kind of crazy as it is, this is one of the best ways that I found that I can be able to schedule post on my Facebook business page and then to go back and schedule my Instagram under Creator Studio. Yes, it seems like a lot, but if you're sharing and you already have your content together, then you're good to go. So what I'm doing is clicking on Try Business Suite, and it's going to open up to another option, right? And it's going to show you what you've published so far on your page, whether you posted it or whether you have it scheduled. And then if you click on the section that says scheduled, you'll see what you have scheduled so far. And as you see, I have a couple of things scheduled to post on my business page. So when you click on the option to the right, which is create a post, this is going to automatically have a preset for it to post on your Facebook page. Again, we're only on our business page. So you can write out your message, you can add your photo, you can add your video. And let's see, I'm just going to do this just for this sake. And then I'm going to look to add a video. Look to add a picture just for the sake of it, so you can see how it shakes out. And it gives you the option where you can tag products in your post. And if I was tagging something, that option, I could click on that option and it will pop up what I have to be able to tag. If I want to add call to actions on this post, this would be able to add the call of action, but it would only give me that option if I take the picture away, as you see. So if I didn't have the picture, that would automatically be kind of lit up so that I can be able to do that. Okay. If I wanted to put a feeling activity to it, it'll let me have a feeling activity to it as well. All right. And then from there, if you look at this, it says desktop feed, how it will look. And this is how it will look on the desktop. It always gives you that preview. And then if you look at it from the mobile preview, this is how it would look on a mobile phone or tablet or something like that. Okay. So then from there, what you'll do is you'll click on the upside down triangle, click to schedule your post, select the date and time, and hit schedule. Let's see, hit schedule, and then hit schedule post. Now, you see the pop-ups at the corner of the bottom left. It'll show you that it's scheduling your information for you, and then it should blink out. Your screen should blink out, and it should pop back up where you can see that you already have stuff scheduled. Now, if it does not pop back up for you, if it doesn't blink out, if it doesn't give you 1 to 2 boxes at the bottom showing you that it's scheduled, what you can do is you can go here and you can click share to all and see if it funnels through there, because sometimes it could take a little bit of time to come through. Yesterday for some reason it was very buggy, and I must have clicked on a post and scheduled it 3 times before it finally showed the first time, and then the other 2 popped up. So it's very finicky. So you want to make sure that you do see it in your scheduled section. Okay, so that's how you schedule it on your Facebook page. Now, because it's so buggy, it does give you the opportunity to schedule it to your Instagram from this option. But like I said, I found that it could be problematic. So what I'm going to do is go back to my main area in the publishing. I'm going to click on Creator Studio now. Now, Creator Studio does give you the option to schedule to your Facebook and to your Instagram. But again, like I said, I found it to be very buggy. And in the social media group that I'm in, people have said that they found it to be buggy as well. So from here, it shows you like Facebook is kind of highlighted. I'm going to go to Instagram, and then I'm going to, because I have other accounts that I have back here, I'm going to go to my own personal account. And then what it shows you is everything that you have published and or that you've archived as well. And then what you can do is you can click on here to see what you have scheduled. And if you're going to schedule anything, you want to click on create a post into your Instagram feed. You do have the option to schedule a post to your IGTV. Again, add your content here, add your picture. We're going to do another test. Okay. Add your picture here, and it's going to show you this. Now, this option right here where you see my cursor at right next to my name, if you click on this right up under where it says post to Facebook, it's going to post to Facebook and it's going to post to Instagram. So you're going to have double Facebook posts because you've already done it in the Facebook suite, okay, business suite. But if you do this, right, and another thing of not clicking on it here is because if you put any hashtags in here, all of your hashtags that you put in here in the content section is going to go onto your Instagram, because right now this is posting, and as you see, it says post to the Instagram feed. But if you check this box right here, it's going to post the same exact thing to your Facebook with hashtags and all. So I don't select that box. I actually put all my content, my pictures, my hashtags, and then I go here and I click schedule and do it that way. And this way has seemed to be very, and I'll just, I'll give you a perfect example. And you see how it says your post is being scheduled, and now it shows your post is scheduled successfully. So it shows you, because I have it set so I can see everything that I'm scheduling as I'm doing it. Now, this way for me works out a lot better than trying to schedule everything at once on the business suite. And that's because it is very glitchy right now. And I believe that Facebook has gotten all of the complaints about it. But it is one of the things that I do. So it may be doing it twice, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it because at least I know that it's already pre-scheduled and I don't have any problems. And let me look at the comments. Hey, Sharita, thank you. So yeah, I still use Planoly, but for client scheduling to make it a little bit easier, because you have a max um, of profiles that you can have when you're posting on your phone. Like you can only, I want to say I got 5 on here, including my own. So Instagram puts it to a uh, yeah, Instagram puts it to a max on your phone. So to make it easier for me, I went ahead and rescheduled it on Instagram for my client. It's kind of crazy, but you definitely have to be mindful. Understand that those 2 options, Creator Studio and Business Suite, are still glitchy. So pay attention to when it's scheduled. If you see it in there twice, it's going to schedule twice. So delete one of the posts. And like I said, it's very glitchy, but it makes it easier. And since Facebook is definitely paying attention to outside scheduling apps that you use and making the reach far less, far less for your people to see your content, I just stick with Facebook Creator Studio and Facebook Business Suite to make it easier. I mean, I just don't understand. If you don't want people to use apps, then don't give them the API to be able to post onto your platform. It's simple. But who am I? I don't own Facebook. So that's the example. That's the walkthrough to show you how to do it. So I hope that this was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, please be sure to let me know. And thank you so much for catching me live. If you catch this replay, put hashtag replay and let me know that you caught the replay. Let me know if you're having any problems or if it's been glitchy for you as well. So that's it. Enjoy the rest of your evening and I'll talk to you soon.